So we'll be discussing about what is cloud, what is Salesforce, and what job opportunities are there, what is a career path in Salesforce, and we'll compare with other technologies also, which is the best. We'll compare with other technologies with Salesforce the best. We have a number of technologies are there. We compare all them. Okay. So where you have seen cloud technologies? Which type of softwares are cloud softwares? Which type of softwares are cloud software? Where you have seen cloud softwares? Huh? Oracle Labs. Any other softwares you have seen cloud softwares? Daily we'll see one software. Which software? Mails. Gmail. Gmail is in a cloud. It's in 100% cloud. Google has a Gmail software and we access Gmail software without any installation, without any version updates. Memory management Google maintains. Security, performance, everything who maintains Google. Google maintains all IT related services and we access that all IT related services through browser on rental basis. Such environment is called a cloud technology. A cloud is only technology providing all IT related services through browser on rental basis without any installation and version updates. And cloud technology started in 1999. When Java started in 95, at that time only cloud technology was there. Why it became popular now? Now internet started growing now. 2012 before, what is our internet speed? 256 kbs, frequently disconnection like that. Now we don't have any internet problem now. We can access from anywhere. We can access from anywhere. We don't have any internet. Mobile signal is there. Internet is available. Accessing services through browser we call a cloud technology. The first company implement cloud is a Force.com. Force.com is a company which implements cloud technology. A cloud technology has three services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as services. So cloud technology provides three services: IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. You want to run your application, you want some any software, and when you run application and you have to store some data, the memory you require. Where you have to store memory? I want some 2000 GB memory. So my system will not accept 2000 GB. So I need to take some server where maintains 2000 GB memory. I can run my application in their server. I can see the result through browser. Force company giving a memory and server to you on rental basis. You can run application in their server, see the result through browser. I can store data in their server. They maintain a backup, they provide security, everything they maintain and you pay the rent for that. That's called infrastructure as a service. They provide software as a service. Software as a service. Salesforce.com is a software. It's not a company name. It's not a company name. It's a software name which provides a CRM based software, a customer relationship management software. It's CRM based software which has a predefined number of web pages. Standard screens are developed. You customize that screens. I can use that software directly in my business. I can modify that software, do some changes, drag and drop, very easy customization, and I can use in my business directly. It can be any business, a telecom industry, insurance industry, banking sector, any sector I can use. The small clients also can use the software directly. Apollo Pharmacy, Bajaj Electronic, TMC Mobiles, Big C Mobile, everyone they are using Salesforce now. Since I can use, just create like how we create Gmail ID. Can you customize Gmail ID? Whatever service they provide as it is you should use. Through browser I can access the Gmail software. But Salesforce is in a software like how you access Gmail ID, where you can customize for your business purpose and you pay the rent for that. Like that they are providing service for you. That's called software as a service. They are providing a software for you on rental basis. If this Salesforce software is not existing, what happens? I have to develop that software from scratch. From scratch, all the web pages I've developed with Java, .NET, PHP. If Salesforce software is not there, I have to develop all web applications from start, initial stage. As it is an existing software where you customize, start using through browser. Getting the point? And it has a PaaS, platform as a service, platform as a service. If you want to add the new functionality to your Salesforce software, so we use our own language, Visual Force and Apex programming language. Using these two languages, I can add the new functionality to your Salesforce software. Already Salesforce is a predefined screens are there. I want to add the new functionality to your Salesforce software. So which language I should use? VF and Apex. I cannot use Java.NET. Should use VF and Apex programming languages where you can add a new functionality to your web pages. That's the point. That's called platform as a service. So they are providing a platform for you to add the new functionality, where you can add the new functionality to your Salesforce software, or I can develop my own web softwares. Web-based screens can be developed using these two languages. A cloud is a technology providing three services: infrastructure, memory, software, where I can develop my own web application without any installation. If Java is there, I have to install, update the version, security, deployment, transportation, JDBC, ODBC connectivity. We don't require all that. Directly it opens a browser where I can write a program, I can deploy in the server directly. They are providing all three services and we access that services through browser. Is it? Our Salesforce is related to which a CRM based software, a customer relationship management software. Every client has number of modules, number of departments of the CRM, HR, finance, warehouse. But among all these departments, which is a compulsory department, without CRM, I cannot go for other department. I cannot go HR, finance, warehouse. Any small company or a big company require CRM. And CRM explicitly discuss about how to get a new customer, marketing. What profit loss I am getting, sales. How you maintain the customer when you purchase any product, service. A customer relation management discuss about new customers, profit loss from the customers, maintenance of the customer. These three areas is called a CRM part. And our Salesforce explicitly works on CRM. It's not HR, it's not a finance, it's not a warehouse, it's not a manufacturing. It's only for CRM departments. A client has number of departments, SAP CRM, Oracle CRM, PeopleSoft HR, like that, number of departments, but among that CRM, a Salesforce CRM only it works. Salesforce only works on its CRM part. Why cloud is successful in the present market? Why more business people are using cloud technology now? Less cost, less maintenance. You don't need to invest money. If you want software, you pay the rent, they provide software, they provide memory, they provide server, everything they are providing. And you pay the rent monthly. This month you pay 2000 rupees. If you're getting the profit, go for the next month. Like that you are providing services on rental basis. If that cloud technology is not there, so for example Samsung company is there, it has some 1000 showrooms in India. They require a software. If they require software, what has to be done? They require some 20-30 Java developers. Analyze the web application, developed and given to Samsung client. Now Samsung has to run. Wipro people will not give servers, no? They provide only software. How a Samsung required software? Software Wipro people developed or TCS. Memory server, again they have to approach Google or Amazon people. Security performance backup, again third party. So I have to invest huge money for all these services. A force comes saying that don't invest all that, I'll provide the service to you. And you pay the rent for that. Investing lakhs of rupees is the best, paying rental is the best. This month you pay rent like how you pay house rent, power bill, telephone bill. Like that you pay the rent for your IT related services, for your business related services in IT. Like that, cloud technology is growing for existing people who are migrating, and the new business people who have not yet started any software. So some clients are there, I cannot maintain servers. I'm busy with my business only. Why I need to again a software, again backdowns, backup, makeups, all that you don't require. So cloud technology started going since a less cost, less maintenance. The first, a cloud technology. We have different types of clouds, but which cloud is the best? A cloud is only a technology providing all three services. It has IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. It has IaaS means it has its own infrastructure. It has its own PaaS. They develop their own programming language, VF and Apex. They develop their own SaaS on which SaaS? CRM module, not in other module. Ford's company developed a software on which department? CRM, not in HR finance. Like that we have Microsoft Cloud, it has its own IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. They also developed on CRM based. Then you have Amazon Cloud, its own IaaS and PaaS, but they don't have SaaS. Amazon people don't have any SaaS. Then you have Google Cloud, which has own IaaS, but they don't have PaaS and SaaS. Google people don't have any PaaS and SaaS. Google provides only infrastructure, memory, server, software, which software? A Gmail software like that. They're not providing any PaaS and SaaS. They provide only infrastructure. Can you develop any web application in Google? No, I cannot develop any web application. They're not providing PaaS. Can you customize Gmail software? No. So they are not providing SaaS. Google provides their business only infrastructure. They provide infrastructure. They pay the rent for that. Like that, number of clouds are there. Oracle Cloud, SAP Cloud, Dell Cloud. But among all this cloud, which is a first cloud, Force.com, which is a successful in the present market, providing a CRM based software, Salesforce. Yeah. To access this cloud environment, now if you want to access Google Cloud, what you create? Gmail ID. Same to access cloud environment, Force Cloud, Force Company Cloud, you create Salesforce ID, which is an unlimited days trial version. Free version they give unlimited days for where they give 5 MB memory. Not 15 GB, 10 GB, 5 MB, a limited memory where I can store a 3000 to 4000 records I can store. I can store 3 to 4000 records. If you want more than that, take a license copy. Take a license copy, I can access it. So now Salesforce software, it is an unlimited days, a trial version they are providing with free 5 MB memory. And it's an unlimited days, a trial version where you can practice from anywhere. And our Salesforce training. So once you log into our Salesforce, it has some standard tabs. Once create Salesforce, it has some standard tabs like this. Each tab links to a table. On selection of each table, it has some list of fields are there. When you click account tab, it connects to account table with some list of fields are there where you can add the fields, you can delete the fields, you can modify the sections, you can make fields mandatory. So we'll customize at the end of the demo. We'll see 10 minutes how to customize the Salesforce software, how the look and feel it looks. So Salesforce contains number of tabs. On selection of each tab, it connects to table in our Salesforce. It has some standard tabs where you customize for your business related. That customization is called the admin. Now Salesforce training, we have IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. We are not discussing about IaaS, how data is storing, how data is processing, how data is that part we are not discussing. We are discussing about SaaS and the PaaS only. We are discussing about SaaS and PaaS only. So we are learning with SaaS and PaaS. In our admin, the module 1, that's called admin. The admin discuss about how to modify the Salesforce software for your business purpose. The standard screens are there. account, lead, table, all that. You modify that for your business purpose. That's called customization. And then it has a configuration part. How to manage the data. If my data is in Excel sheet, how to convert Excel data into Salesforce. And it has a reports part. Reports, how to analyze my data. I can analyze my data. Reports. I can provide security. High level security can be maintained. When a user logins, how the screen should display. How screen should display the login screens for different users. That's in a security concept. Transport. So this part, any graduate can learn this admin part. You don't require any programming knowledge, database knowledge. There is no prerequisite to learn Salesforce software. Anyone can learn very easily. When you go to development, how to add the new functionality to your Salesforce software. I want to add the new functionality. How to add the new functionality to your Salesforce is nothing but a development part. Go for development. I need to add my own. So using these two languages, I can add the new functionality. The VF and Apex programming language, you can add the new functionality. But you require some basic OOPS concepts. So I will discuss that OOPS concepts. If you don't have any programming also, no problem. We require some C basics and core Java concept like that. I will discuss that concept in our program. That module 2 comes the development part. Model 3, advanced Salesforce. My data is in other Oracle or SAP systems. How to integrate the data into Salesforce. I require some lightning concepts. I want to see screens through mobile based. Instead of web based, I want to see mobile based screens, lightning concepts. And we'll see 4 mini projects, 4 small projects where Salesforce suggests to do that projects. So we complete all 4 modules where you want to go as a below 2 years experience. You want to go as a below 2 years experience like fresher or software engineer. These 4 modules are sufficient. Admin, development, integration and 4 projects. When you want to go with an experience level, 2+ years experience. You have 4 years experience gap like that. Then go for real-time project scenario project. That's also 2 months, 8 weekends will be there. 6 real-time projects we'll discuss. 6 or 4 to 6 real-time projects it covers. 4 to 6 real-time projects will be covering. And this when you want to go SSC or team lead or associate manager. If you want, then you can go 4 to 6 real-time projects. That means you can show Salesforce maximum 3 to 4 years only. I cannot show more than that. Maximum Salesforce 3 to 4 years experience. In 2013 we can start. I cannot show more. Salesforce started 10 years, so I'll show 5 years Salesforce means it's not allowed. In India we started career in 2013 only. And before that you can show any experience, Java, .NET, Oracle or faculty, BPO, sales, market, something you can show experience how you want. So if you want to go as a fresher level, 0 to 1 year experience or 1 to 2 years experience, then whatever 4 modules are there, that is sufficient to go as a software engineer. When you go with SSC role, you are having 4 years or 3 years experience, then you should run this 4 to 6 real-time projects. And if you want to team lead, that means you are already working other technologies, Java, .NET testing, you are working as a team lead, then you require team lead directly can go. The present company as a Salesforce. Some people have some 10 years experience gap will be there. 8 years experience gap will be there. Banking, insurance, faculty, BPO, they can work as a consultant roles. They'll take the client requirements, I'll pass to Salesforce team. Consultant works as a mediator between, it works as a mediator, take the client requirement, pass to that company. Or some has technically more experience, they act as an architect, they act as an architect. Get this point? So depending on your experience, your role changes and your package changes. SCSS is some package, SSC is some 5 lakhs, TL different roles. So depending on your experience gap, you can go as a different roles like how you want. And people thinks about the career. How far the career in Salesforce exists. Who suggested to learn Salesforce? Friends suggested to learn Salesforce. We have number of courses are there, no. But Salesforce, how you know Salesforce is the best? Huh? A number of software courses are there. Which one is the best? How you will analyze? So when you go for Indeed.com, it's a job one. It's in like Naukri, US based site, Indeed.com. Number one world, number one site. It shows the career path in which technology where is the best. If search here Salesforce, let's see what is the demand in Salesforce existing. It's constant growing. You go for Microsoft CRM. Our competitor for Salesforce is Microsoft CRM. How it is existing? 0.1. And we have other company like SAP CRM. SAP jobs are completely saturated. SAP jobs. They are giving free now, SAP people. All big companies implement SAP. So now no new clients are available in SAP. For that only jobs are saturated in that. And compared to our CRM, there is number one software 2012. If you know Siebel, you'll get the job immediately. Such a good software, Siebel CRM. 2012, there's huge demand in Siebel. What is the Siebel demand now? Completely downfall. So all CVM projects, SAP projects, all are migrating to Salesforce. And the new projects also moving to Salesforce. The reason is what? Easy way of customization. The look and feel is very easy. Client himself can modify software, such a easy software they are providing. So compared to CRM products, Salesforce is the best. How compared with other technologies? You should know other technologies also, no? Like Hadoop, big data. If my data is huge, database is there. I want to manage 500 GB, 6000 GB memory customers data. So we require analytics on the database, a big data. What is a big data demand? See how it become completely downfall. Like SAP, all big companies implement, no, same like that only it comes. And then if some people go for Tableau reporting, some people say I'm fear with the programming. So can you go for any of the software? Within 10 days I want to complete, I need to get the job. Next 2 months there is a marriage for me. They'll sit. Which software is the best? Go for this reporting tool. What is the reporting tool software? How the career path in reporting tools. So compare with all new technology like data scientist, data science. On all combining courses, our Salesforce is in highest future. In the existing new technologies, competitor in CRM part, Salesforce is the best. So whichever course you want, you search in Indeed.com job trends. Right? Whichever course you want, you search on that. It gives the career path, how many jobs are existing in that course. Okay. I'll compare that also. Now, if language based like that, so every 3 years we change the career path. We cannot restrict that career always the same technology. In 1995 to 2000, there is a demand in the mainframes. In 2005 to web technology demand Java, .NET, PHP like that. In 2006 to 10, the demand was ERP. Now there is no jobs in ERP. What was the problem? Clients implemented ERP. There is no new client. ERP users who are big companies. If my all modules in my business, I want to use same software, go for ERP. Oracle Fusion, Microsoft Dynamics, SAP. So all big companies, small companies cannot go for ERP expenditure. To replace that, we came with a cloud technology. From 2012, it started a cloud technology, more demand. Now currently on CRM based cloud. Later we'll go for HR, finance, like that one by one they'll come. Currently they are in CRM. Later they'll go for HR cloud, finance cloud, like that they'll come. And for the new technologies now, Amazon Web Services, data science, big data, analytics, Hyperion, scripting. Now Python is the best for that. The present market business jobs are more at cloud, Salesforce and Python, where Python can be used in all these sectors. If you want to go for big data, you require Python. If you go for AWS, you require Python. Scripting, you require Python. A fifth class student can learn Python, such an easy course it is. You learn Java, it takes 6 months. Here we can learn within 1 month, such easy course it is. Easy to learn the program. In US, UK, a fifth class student will start learning Python. Then you'll go for other languages. No, not cloud. So in all these sectors, a Python is. So I'm showing varies and job opportunities in the present. That means I cannot say that a Salesforce, if you learn for 10 years. I cannot say that, no. Now SAP was more demand in 2006 to 10. Now there is no job change. What does mean? It's a wrong decision. No, clients are not there. If clients implement, then the job opportunity will come. Now always IT person should change their career. You cannot restrict that Java only I will sit for 10 years. You can sit, no one will problem. The more competition will be there in that part. So when you are learning Salesforce, so you can say in pay scale also highest pay scale for Salesforce, Java opportunities. Now we have 2,924 jobs are there. More number of jobs are there in Salesforce. And people think about whether I should learn only admin or development. Every person should learn all modules compulsory. Admin, which we do for 3 months project. Development 6 months, integration 3 months project. Like that 1 year we'll do in the same project. And people think about development. So if it is difficult, what happens? Don't think development is very difficult. It's very easy. I'll teach you in a very easy manner development. If you feel development is difficult, now once you learn the development part, it's very easy development course. You require a basic programming knowledge, a basic OOPS concepts. I'll teach you that concepts and you can learn. If you feel development is difficult, you learn one more time. If second time also difficult, then you concentrate more with an admin part. Some banking people, insurance people, faculty that say that I'm non-IT background, can I go with admin? So every person should learn all modules, but you be specialized with one module compulsory. Specialized with either admin, but you should learn all modules. Without programming knowledge, you cannot say that you are a software engineer. If you want to be that you are a software engineer, you should know some programming. Programming is what? If, loops, methods. Nothing that. Outright if statement, outright for loop. When you press start, how many methods will come? That's nothing but a program. In a sequence of steps, you write it. Without programming, you cannot survive in IT industry. Which language, which software don't have any programming? You go for SAP ABAP. You go for testing tools, you require programming. Script programming requires in testing tools. Hadoop, you require programming. AWS, programming. Tableau reporting tool also program. Without programming, there is no software at all. Don't think without any program is there any software. Everywhere program is necessary. But how depth you require, that is necessary. We are not learning like Java 6 months, Hibernate, Springs, Struts, EJBs, that are not necessary. You require some basic programming. Okay, so we should learn all modules compulsory, but you should be specialized with only any one module like this. And we are giving a training of 2 hours, 160 hours training with admin 40 hours, development 40 hours, and integration 40 hours, and mini projects 40. So total will take 160 hours for a training part. When you want to go as a fresher level. When you want to go experience level, then you require again 4 to 6 real-time projects are giving. So the people who want to go for experience level, then you go for real-time project scenarios. And the placements, whoever complete training and projects, Immediately I'll place in the 200% more than that I'll place in the jobs. There's a huge requirement projects are there. All projects are in pipeline. That means a resource not available, projects are in hold. And we help you how to get the documentation. The consultancy will help you how to get it. And we'll provide the certification documents also. That means how to be certified like that. Dumps will be there. Just go through the dumps. It can be certified very easily. Job support will provide the job support when you complete course. When you join a job, if you want any help on that Salesforce project, we'll help you. So to get the job, you require daily 2 hours training and 3 hours lab you have to practice. Daily you have to spend 5 hours. Minimum 5 hours you have to spend for last 2 to 3 months. Minimum 2 to 3 months you have to spend. You'll get the job very easily. Very easily can get the Salesforce job. But you have to spend minimum 5 hours daily. 2 hours theory and 3 hours lab. Where our batch timing is morning 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. So 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 1 hour admin, 1 hour development will be there. So both are independent concepts. Admin is different, development is different. And every day I'll do the recording class. So you can attend online or classroom, how you want, you can attend my batch. And if you miss any particular class, I'll forward the recording class to you. Today you are absent, you are not following my class. Just make a request, I'll forward the recording session to you. You can just go through my recording class. I'll give step-by-step notes for you. You don't need to write any single point. I'll give all with the screenshots notes will be there. You can just follow the screenshots. Any for students reviews and feedback, you can say harshtechnology.com. It shows all the students feedback, how the students placements. Okay. And if you want to see how our Salesforce software looks, so once log into our Salesforce software, how the Salesforce software looks. Once log into our Salesforce software, log into our Salesforce, it has some standard screens like this. Salesforce contains standard screens on selection of any like lead table, inquiry table. So when you click new, I can enter some new details. Inquiry form, Kiran, company, IBM company. So phone number, industry, which industry belongs, city, Hyderabad. Enter some details. So I saved that record. Now these are all standard fields in the lead table. Now client said like in account table, click new account, Kumar. Which industry, what is annual revenue, which city he belongs. I can save the record. Once save the record, now client said that while entering save record, I want to edit the fields. I want to modify the fields. These are some 30 fields are there. In the 30 fields, I want only 20 fields. Client said I want only 20 fields. Some 10 fields have to be deleted. Go to quick access, view fields, where I can, if you want to delete the fields, go to account table shortcut, edit layout. Edit layout. I can modify the fields. Whichever fields you want, you can drag and drop. If you want new fields, you can place it. If you don't want any field, just remove it. I want to make field mandatory, like type field properties required. Say a red mark symbol will get it. If you want to remove, you can remove the field. Get it back. Get it back. How you want, you can select the field. Whichever field you want, you can select here. I want to create my own section. Create my own section. Select section. My section. You can drop the fields how you want the fields. I can arrange my fields in the look and feel. And click save. You can modify the section like whichever fields you want, you can create. So I can remove some fields. I can add the fields. I want to add my own fields. Some fields are missing, like designation field. So quick access view fields. Edit layout where you can delete, make fields mandatory, create. I want to create my own fields. New fields. A drop down type field. Create new field. Qualification field. Then values. Qualification. I create my own fields. Next. That field, when you are creating a field, I am providing a security. I am adding a field onto account table. I want to provide security. Who can access my field? Which type of employees can access my field? Marketing people, sales people, like that. So who can access? Visible to all types of users. Next. Add the field to the layout. Save it. Then check it. You find a new field, qualification field. Once you add the backend, front end will come automatically. Very easy of customization, where you can add the fields. Any type of data type, delete the fields. We write our own validation rules. When you click save, if your mandate fields you are not given, I want to give error messages. I can give my custom error messages. This part, adding the fields, remove the fields, editing the section, validation rules, all this part admin. When you go for development, then go to the username. It's a developer console is there. It opens an editor where you can write the programs. Go for developer console. It opens editor. We are not doing any installation. Directly opens from browser. File, new, VF page, Apex class, like that. You write our own programs. Writing our own program. When you select development screen. File. So it opens from browser only. We are not installing any software. File, new, VF page. I can design my own web page on selection of screens. Selected record should be displayed. I want 10 records I need to display. Account by default 1000 records I am displaying. I want 10 records only. So I can customize the screens how you want display. I want to display my records in the command links format. This part all comes what? Development part, where you require some basic programming, a Visual Force and Apex programming. So a cloud is a technology providing all services through browser. Software, memory, infrastructure, security, everything some company provides, you pay the rent for that. That environment is called cloud. If cloud technology is not there, what happens? You maintain your own server. You develop your own software from starting. That environment is called a cloud. And our cloud based Force company developed three services, IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. The SaaS is nothing but Salesforce. The Salesforce is not a company name, it's a software which is in a CRM based software. It's not HR, not finance, and CRM based where you customize software and start using through browser. And using this two language, VF and Apex, you can add the new functional to your Salesforce software. And our Salesforce works on CRM based, marketing, sales, and service. On these three factors only we work it. It's not HR or finance or warehouse, it's only CRM based. And success of cloud is less cost, less maintenance. We have a number of clouds are there, but which cloud is the best? Force Cloud, providing all three services for you. Currently they are in CRM. Later they'll go for HR Force, Finance Force, like that one by one cloud based they'll go. Currently on CRM based. Once be successful in CRM, later go for next one. And to access Salesforce, developer.force.com, create an ID in developerforce.com. Free. So you don't require any installation. So you can practice from anywhere. You require only internet connections. You require only internet and you can practice from anywhere without any a free unlimited days trial version. It is a free version, but limited memory they are given 5 MB where I can store 3 to 4,000 records. And once you log into Salesforce, it has some standard screens are there where you can add the fields, delete the fields like that. So you can do it. And training. In the training, when you are a fresher, we need to learn all these 4 modules compulsory. Admin, development, integration, and 4 mini projects. Whoever complete this all part, you can get the job very easily as a fresher level. When you go experience level, so 4 to 6 real-time projects has to be done. 4 to 6 real-time projects at 2 months. When you want to go SSC, team lead or AM role. So you want SSC team lead. So experience level, you require this real-time project scenario compulsory as a fresher level or a software engineer level. A fresher level software engineer, that is sufficient for the course. You want experience level, SSC, team lead, consultant, like that you can go. And depending on your experience gap, you need to move the technology, either team lead or SSC or a consultant. When you are free, just go for indeed.com job trends. It shows the career path where job opportunities are available, which course is the best in the present market. The career perspective, we have mainframes, web, ERP, cloud technology, Python, like the different technologies were there. Every 3 years they change the technology. Sometimes cloud, sometimes Python, like the different technology will come here. We have to choose depending on which. And see pay scale also highest pay scale as a software developer. And Naukri, if you find 2,900 plus jobs are there in Naukri.com. And we need to learn admin, development, integration and projects compulsory. You are a fresher or experienced, whatever maybe, you should learn all and be specialized with anyone. When you want to enter into the company, they'll ask different types of questions. While joining to the project, then you can be specialized which product you want, which area you want. You can say that I am good with admin or development like that. And we are giving the training for fresher level or experience. When you are 3 years, then you go for real-time projects. You made the experience project so that you have more exposure on the technically you'll have confident when you go experience level. For that only we do 4 to 6 real-time projects. When you apply for the jobs, if any interest fails, so to whom you will discuss? You will discuss with the friends. You discuss with the trainer now. They are available for you complete Saturday and Sunday. You ask whatever questions you want. That is your responsibility to get the job. It's not our fault. We are giving technically what industry require. We made the content what industry require. We didn't make like what faculty knows. What industry require, that concepts are covering here. Clear? The placement assistance will go, explain documents and certification and job support also will help you. And we give training only one morning batch 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. If you want other batch timings, evening we are expecting to start evening. And I'll use step-by-step notes for you with screenshots will be there. You don't need to write anything. All with the screenshots notes will be there. You can attend online or class. How you want you can attend my batch. Whichever mode you want you can attend my batch. And you can attend this meeting ID from anywhere. Through this meeting ID you can attend from anywhere. and I'll do the recording for every class. Every class will be recording. So if you miss any class, I'll forward the recording session to you. Which factory you want, you can find. And see the customization, how you customize the standard skills, development screens. All this part we discuss in Gmail Drive access file. So whatever I'm discussing, this all concepts I'm providing a Gmail Drive. So just forward your email ID. I'm forwarding this recording class, today's demo class, and how just now we customize the account screen. No, that's how to create Salesforce ID, how to modify account table fields. A 2 hours class is there. Just attend this 2 hours class. Every Wednesday we join the new batch. Every Wednesday 8 o'clock we are starting the new batch. But before coming to new batch, you need to go through this 2 hours class compulsory. Whoever want to come 2 hours batch, so this Wednesday, every Wednesday we start the new batch. Just go through how just now how you customize the Salesforce software, like that all step by step screenshots notes are given. Go through that, and you can go through mobile also. Same I am forwarding development classes also. What is Visual Force? What is Apex program? How we can write VF and Apex program in an easy way. I'm giving that 5 hours class. 5 hours admin, 5 hours development recording class I'm forwarding. Just go through class, how I giving my training. Once you're satisfied, then you can continue the batch. 5 days recording admin, 5 days development recording class I'm providing. So just go through. Once you're satisfied, then only can continue. Where 2 months admin, 2 months development will be there. If 50% training is done, then you can learn parallelly weekends, advanced Salesforce and projects. First 2 months, and that's admin and development. If 50% completed training, parallelly you can go for weekends what? Advanced Salesforce and projects. So like that you can complete within 3 months all our training part. Okay? So please go through this, the admin basics, how to create ID, how to customize. Then you can join the batch from Wednesday. But meanwhile, just forward your email ID. I'll give the sharing for this notes, all the recording class, how you want, I'll forward that. Clear? Sudhakar, you are fresher or experience? Which, how much? Huh? MA. Okay. So people some has non-IT background will be there. BCom, MCom, MBA, BPO, sales marketing like this. So they concentrate only with admin part more. They concentrate more with admin part. So but you should have a programming knowledge also. Programs don't feel that's very difficult. I'll teach in a very easy fashion the programming. You can see my recording class, 5 days class I given. Just go through my recording class. Easy way. You don't need to learn anything. I'll teach you that all concepts programming. Yes. A B H I N A Abhi none. T K K U R Thakur. You are experienced. You are fresher. So for freshers, you require 4 modules compulsory. You should learn these 4 modules, and you can place you immediately anywhere. We have number of job opportunities for freshers, but resources are not available. Who complete all these 4 modules? Okay, your ID is correct. See, wrong. It's going. A B H I N A N D A N Thakur. Yes. K Venkatesh. C H B. You are which IT or non-IT? When you are pass out, what you have done? Not in IT. You are working somewhere. Okay. So when you are 12 pass out means 5 years at the time Maximum you can show Salesforce only 3. Don't show more than that. So you can go as a SSC role. You can go as SC or SSC. So I'm having 5 years. Can I go team lead means? No. I cannot go directly team lead. No. Should have work in the technology. So we work with SC or SSC role. But when you go with an experience level, you require some 6 real-time projects. We have the course is there. No. Once complete these 4 modules, learn the real-time project scenarios, you will get the job very easily. Hmm? Every 1 year hike will be there for any friend. IT person always hikes will be there. Arun Kumar. MULK. You are? Which technology? Okay, good. Mainframes people, for that only are asking how many years it exists like that, no? Not question. IT person always change the career. That's only first option. But when you are in the programming part, you can change the career very easily. If you go for testing tools, they won't change their career. They fear with the testing. They fear with the programming. So don't learn the tools like this. Learn some basic programming. If you are not learning now programming, you cannot learn other courses at any time. When your program knowledge is there, programming is what? If, loops, methods. Nothing more than that. Okay. Hmm. We have more openings in US with Salesforce only. If search in DICE, you'll find more jobs in Salesforce there. No problem. We have more openings. Good. Naveen, you are? When? This all MBA background people, basically they think about programming part only, whether they can shoot for IT part or not. But Salesforce has 2 flavors here. 2 flavors are there, admin and development. You be more at the admin part. Concentrate more at the admin. Whatever with 2 months training you done, no? Same project also you're doing 2 months training. That's sufficient like this. SARAMO help BURL Sharath SARATHTA. Huh? You are pursuing. Okay, can go as a fresher or if you want BTech also. Hmm? GK Suresh 01. Now you are doing MTech. Okay. Yeah. Basically, gap is there, no MTech. After that, you can go with MTech only. Once you work with 1 year like that, then you can show with an experience. Basically, some people MTech this year pass out will be there. They can go as an BTech with experience like that. But you should learn 2 real-time projects and training also. Cannot go with the training. Training is only for 1 year experience people. When you want to go 3+ years experience, you go for real-time scenarios project also. MAHAN KALI IN Indrajit. What you have done? When? Okay. We have same salaries either BTech or MTech. Whether you done or MTech or BTech, IT means any BTech or any graduate. Don't think MTech will have more expected. We know MTech what they have done. what courses they'll do. They require only software related, no? Both are same. You? MUAA, RAM, MUA, MUKA. You're working, not working. So your technical back and graduate. Okay. So all BPO people, sales, banking, they don't have, they left some IT part. They left and they don't have IT knowledge, but they want to move to the career in IT. Which course is the best? Basically, this MBA people or BPO, they suggest some SAP SD they used to go. But SAP SD now there are no openings. Some people go with no programming knowledge. They can learn Tableau, reporting tool is there. So first this I have given 5 hours recording class admin and development just go through. If you feel that classes 10 days class are difficult, they can choose Tableau software. It's very easy, hard cake resource now in the market. Reporting tool, you don't require single line program there. Easy to learn the program. You don't require programming there. So if you feel this 10 days class is difficult, they can choose the Tableau. The Tableau also good career path is there now in the market. IM, TI, YAZ. We are doing anywhere? Okay. Now usually this tech support people cannot show the experience, IT experience. That's one point. That's not a IT experience, no? They cannot show. They are IT job only, but it's not a, they won't consider that's IT job. You have to put some experience gap again. You have to complete the training. You have to complete the projects. You have to show the experience documents, certification. You go for any course, same. Not Salesforce. Any course you choose, more experience gap is there. You want good package means you require all this works. You have to do all the works. When you want 7 lakhs pack, you already working 7 lakhs package. On that only they'll give a hike. If 3 years experience, they have 7 lakhs package, on that only will get hikes. All experience gap people, they should learn preparation for it. If you're already working in any company, working in Java, .NET, they can show experience like that. So already you're working with Java, .NET, you show the same documentation with that you are working in Salesforce like that. So I'm giving all this documentation. So we can just go to this admin classes and development classes. Then admin, a 2 hours class is it. Just go through this 2 hours class through mobile or how you require through internet. And from Wednesday you can join the batch. But please complete this 2 hours class, and every Wednesday we start the new batch. Same development also. I'm giving the development 5 hours class is there. Just go through that 5 hours. If this field admin development difficult, then you can join for a Tableau course. That's only best option. A good Tableau faculty is there. Tableau or Pega. These are all non-programming courses. For other courses also you require some training, and the project level training also they require. Pega is completely, that's also a tool based. I cannot say that how long it exists. If you compare in our Indeed.com, you will find very less number of job opportunities in Pega. Testing tools, we have Selenium, QTP is there. Where there also require Java programming. When you go for testing tools also require programming knowledge compulsory. Salesforce development programming only, no? Salesforce is in a software where you customize that is in a software. If you want to add the new functionality, then you require development part. Basis of time, once we have more jobs. Now, very rare. SAP, why jobs are very less means all companies implemented, all big companies implemented. So when project starts, 10 people you require, 10 people worked in SAP implemented project. And 2015 all projects are done. And 2015 till now they are doing maintenance projects. Maintenance projects they are doing. Now maintenance projects are completed. Means every client will not give long run maintenance. 3 years they have done maintenance. And what about I cannot recruit same 5 resource continuous for maintenance. So next 2 resources are there. So only 10 to 2 resources came for the projects. So no new clients were the problem. Basis were the jobs when infrastructure led. Now you can take a reference type jobs only when you go for SAP. When you are choosing SAP means someone should guide you to get the job. Otherwise you won't get the job like that. Clear? Please go through. So I forward my recording class, admin class, development classes and demo class, course content, everything I forward. Just go through that. Clear? Thank you. We'll meet on Monday. Any doubts? You can attend online or classroom how you want. Any doubts? Any doubts?
I completed my MBA in finance. Can I
Okay.
show you this MBA?
No problem.
Because of graduation in BSc computers. And I done MBA.
అట్లా ఏం లేదు ఎనీ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ ఉండాలి అంతే నో ప్రాబ్లం యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్ యూ కెన్ అటెండ్ దట్స్ meeting development and projects you can complete 2.5 months. So Monday to Friday is our class admin development and weekend Saturday Sunday go for advance and project. Then you can do parallelly. We will complete within 2.5 months. Oh, real time is separate. We are doing 1 to admin development, 3 is for advance, 4 is in a projects, mini projects. 4 mini projects will be there. Once we have to complete all 4, then you go for real time projects. Whoever complete first 4 projects, then only should go for real time projects.
The same thing perhaps if you wanted to complete in one weekend, I mean 2, 3 weekends, not to schedule it takes time.
It takes time. It's advanced Salesforce. It's morning 7 to afternoon 2. 7 to 2 advanced Salesforce projects. Same again 2 months will go for real time projects. You'll have more technical good knowledge. We are making good technical knowledge, so you'll have more confidence when you apply for the jobs. We're not saying just complete 2 months, you apply for 3 months. It's again backlog will come. You come, you fail in the intros, learn for again a new software. Don't do that. Attempt in the same course. Learn more detail. Number of jobs are there, but resources are not available. That was the problem in Salesforce. Technical were not available. For that only we made the content purely technical part.
It's only in Hyderabad. I mean, we can
Everywhere we have Salesforce everywhere. Hyderabad. It's maybe in US also more openings are there.
you can support for
We do H1 visa processing also. We'll support.
because it's right for US only.
Hello.
Okay, we'll meet on Wednesday. Okay. But before that, complete the 2 hours class. Huh?
Yeah, hello. I'm Mahesh.
Wednesday 8 o'clock.
Your name Prem.
Prem Prakash. Thank you.
Excuse me. Hello.
Any doubts?
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, Mahesh.
Actually, I'm flying. This is Mahesh.
Yes, Mahesh.
Actually, I'm flying to US in April ending. So, is it possible development and administration for me to
I said
attend
no,
all
if
these?
you do parallelly, then only you can do fast track. Admin development you do,
Okay.
weekends you do the project batch, then you can sufficiently get complete.
Okay. Okay. So, actually, my experience was in testing from 8.5 years.
Okay.
So I'm moving for technical side actually. So what you suggest for me to
So in the
go
present
go with?
market, we have jobs only in Salesforce currently. In Salesforce or
Uh-huh.
Python, we have more opening. So this is the only best
Okay.
jobs now in US also you can compare. You can check it.
Okay.
We have jobs are in Salesforce in that one.
Okay. What you said, surely administration is
No, you should learn
okay,
all.
or
You should learn all the modules compulsory.
all the modules compulsory.
You
Okay.
need compare all.
So, okay. So parallelly means once administration 50% completed, then we can go ahead with the
Yes,
other
correct.
modules, right?
Like that you can.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, friend.
Any doubts?